Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee (DMCC) will stage a protest at Delhi Jantar Mantar on July 28 against the prevailing unrest in Manipur. In a press meet held at Thangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club at Major Khul, Publicity Secretary of Women's Wing for Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee (DMCC) Naurem Linina calls the support of CSOs, women organization and all the communities of Manipur who are outside Manipur to take part in the protest which is being organized for protecting the state's integrity. Naurem Lilina announced that the protest demonstration will be held from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Jantar Mantar and various other areas. The main agenda of the protest is to demand the central security forces to stop taking sides, as this can further escalate the conflict and instead focus on maintaining peace and normalcy. The protest will also demand government to facilitate the resettlement of displaced people to their original homes.
Lakadawri batang kunipan Sunday numit kung ama degina kung ahum da pagi Delhi gi Jantar Mantar da protest demonstration ama pangthok sagadawri pagi conflict asigya marin leinana pangthok kadawri ba protest demonstration asida India gi mafam da tongan mafam da leibiri ba ichin inaw sing amadi tongan mafam kya da leibiri ba ichin inaw sing na protest asida saruk ya gani haina su tongdok pia paga loina Manipur da leibiri ba ima luk sing amadi CSO amadi topa tongan ba community gi civil society organization sing da khoi pulap punsinduna khoi amata oiraba kholau ima leibak bu kaiba yaro haiba kholau asi lawinana ba Delhi coordinating committee gi maikai degi akoina appeal tokjari central government sing na khoi cookie militant sing adagiri narco terrorist sing da makhoi bu support tawba makhoi da tongsin ba adu duga leibak sidana khoi gi tangdu leita dana laihaliba sahi ama henjala bawba da hana gi normalcy se porakna ba low khatpi da badawna uri ba ta mokoi da support uri ba sibu tokpiro haiza baga haiza na bagi tamak ta koi protest asi sinja bani